Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Alpha Labs Male Enhancement Capsules. So as you can see right here on Trustpilot, they are rated 4.1 out of 5 stars with 7 reviews. Now all of these 7 reviews mostly are 4 stars and 5 stars. And basically all of them said that it is worth it and they have been using it for a couple of weeks and they highly recommend it. And they've been using it and it still works. So if you don't know what this Alpha Labs Male Enhancement does, basically it improves quality of life and increases blood circulation and increases libido. It reduces progression of erectile dysfunction. So if you're suffering from low testosterone, you can take this supplement. And however, this is not a medicine for erectile dysfunction. However, it can help, but it is not certified as a medicine. It is only a supplement. Now let's go over to eBay here, and as you can see, the reviews are also good. Great transaction, fast shipping, started taking the pill, and arrived on time. Product was open, came as described, and it is a good quality product. A lot of health problems like blah blah blah, and he believes in the Alpha Force. And yeah, basically, this app has good reviews across the board. So that is it. So if you want to take this product, there's no harm in trying. And it can help you with your health if you're suffering from low testosterone and erectile dysfunction. So that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.